Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we'll take a look at what makes the DJI Mavic Mini such a popular drone and why it appeals to even the most seasoned professionals. If it's your first time here and you love new tech and cool gadgets as much as we do, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to hit that bell button so that you won't miss out on our updates. Alright then, so let's get right into it.
Probably know DJI for their exceptional drones, such as the Mavic Air 2 and the Mavic 2 Pro. You probably also know that their drones are not the most affordable ones in the market. Now, if you're a drone enthusiast and want to fly drones as a hobby, the price of getting started is something to be considered. If you add that to the fact that most drones need to be registered, it can discourage anyone from picking up the hobby. Enter the Mavic Mini. The first thing that stands out is its lightweight and compact design. The premium build quality on this drone might not make it indestructible, but it's certainly more durable than most other drones out there. The drone is equipped with a 2.7K 12-megapixel camera, mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, and it can shoot at 24, 25, and 30 frames per second. Even though it does not shoot 4K videos like its big brothers, the quality of the video shot on the Mavic Mini is still exceptional. The camera has a 1 to 2/3 inch CMOS sensor with an f2.8 aperture that allows you to take wide-angle shots of amazing views from the sky while storing them in an onboard microSD card. On a full charge, you can fly the Mavic Mini for 30 minutes straight without having to recharge the battery, which is quite impressive by any standard. For a longer flight time, you may want to consider investing in the Fly More combo that comes with extra batteries and a two-way charger. For precise flying and hovering, the Mavic Mini uses GPS, GLONASS, and the two bottom sensors, but lacks any obstacle avoidance sensors. This not only reduces the overall weight, but also the cost of the entire drone. Looking at it from a pros and cons perspective, the pros are, number 1, it's light on your wallet. The drone costs just $399, making it one of the most affordable drones in the market right now. Number 2, no registration required. As the weight of the drone does not breach the 250 grams threshold, you can fly the Mavic Mini without having to register it. Number 3, superb battery life. For such a small drone, 30 minutes of battery life on the Mavic Mini is impressive. Number 4, stable video capture. Thanks to its 3-axis stabilization, the videos captured by the Mavic Mini are extremely smooth. The cons are, number 1, no 4K video. Even though the 2.7K 30 frames per second video is stunning, it would be nice to have 4K. Number 2, no USB-C. The Mavic Mini still uses micro USB to charge its battery. With USB-C being the new norm, it would have been great to see the drone come with a USB-C port instead. Number 3, no object tracking. The popular Follow Me feature is missing on the new Mavic Mini. While this might not be a deal breaker, some of us are going to miss this feature.
In conclusion, the drone does miss out on some cool features that we're used to seeing in more expensive drones. However, for just $399, you get a lot of bang for your buck. If you're a hobbyist craving to get some awesome aerial footage without breaking the bank, then the Mavic Mini is the perfect solution for you.
Thank you for watching the whole video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like our content, and we'll see you in the next one.